Welcome to each and everyone. Today we are discussing about UGC NET and KSET examination, paper 1 subject People and Environment. Let us discuss 10 important questions. First question is, inside rural homes, the sources of nitrogen oxide pollution may be unvented gas stoves, wood stoves, kerosene heaters. They give 3. From this they have given 4 option. If first answer is both A and B, second one is both B and C, third one is only B, and fourth one is all the above. So the right answer is all the above. In rural homes, the sources of nitrogen oxide pollute may be unvented gas stoves. In rural areas, they are using gas stoves, wood stoves, kerosene heaters. So it will cause for the nitrogen oxide. It will occurs nitrogen oxide and it will create a air pollution. Next, second one is, which of the following pollutants can cause cancer in human? There are 4 options: pesticides, mercury, lead, ozone. So the right answer is pesticides. Pesticide, the chemicals used in making the pesticides are linked to cancer. For manufacturing of pesticides, they are using the chemicals which are directly linked to the cancers. So it will cause the cancer in human body. And due to mercury, it will causes the irritation on eyes, weight loss, skin diseases, etc. And in the lead, it will causes for heart attack to the brain, central nervous system, etc. Due to ozone layer, chest pain, throat infection, etc. will causes on the human body. But the cancer is caused due to pesticides. Next, third one is assertion and reason type question. Assertion is, people pollution control measures do not necessarily help in checking environmental degradation. The reason is that the relationship between population growth and environmental degradation is rather complex. So the ascertain is N1, there are 4 options, both A and R are true, and the R is the correct explanation of A. And second one is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. And C is A is true but R is false. D option is A is false but R is true. In the assertion and reason type of question, almost the answer is both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. In this question, environmental degradation is the depletion of resources such as air, water, soil, etc. People pollution control measures do not necessarily help in checking environmental degradation. So, because of the reason is that the relationship between population growth and environmental degradation is rather complex. So, the right answer is both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of assertion or A. So, the right answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following phenomena is not a natural hazard? Wildfire, lightning, landslide, chemical contamination. These are the wildfire, lightning, landslide are the natural hazards, but chemical contamination is not a natural hazard. The right answer is chemical contamination. In the chemical contamination refers to the addition or appearance of chemical substances in appropriate places. It means use of chemical in inappropriate places. It will causes the chemical contamination. It will cause the pollution. They are caused by human mistakes, but wildfire, landslide, lightning are natural disasters. They cannot be avoided. Chemical contamination is it is made by the mistake of human, but wildfire, lightning, landslide are the natural disasters. We cannot control it. So the right answer option D. Next, fifth question. As part of national climate change policy, Indian government is planning to raise the installed capacity of renewable energy by the year 2030. It means the government will raise the capacity of renewable energy in the year 2030. 2030 there are 350 gigawatt of energy is raised. It means in the year of the government has planned to raise 350 gigawatt of renewable energy has to rise in the year 2030. So option D is the right answer. Next, come to sixth question. Identify the air pollutant in urban areas which irritates eyes and also respiratory tract of. There are four options: particulate matter, oxide of nitrogen, surface ozone, carbon monoxide. Here in the four option, the right answer is surface ozone. Surface ozone is the pollutant that dominate in urban areas. Sources are vehicles, industries, power plant causes the respiratory problems for the asthma patients. It will causes the respiratory problems for the asthma patients. So it is the surface ozone is the air pollutant which are in the urban areas. Next, seventh question. Which of the following is the largest source of water pollution in major rivers of India? Untreated sewage, agriculture runoff, unregulated small scale industries, religious practices. In the four option, the largest water pollution source in India are untreated sewage. The option A is the right answer. Indian sewage system is linked to the rivers via canals. It means the sewage of the India is directly linked to the canals or of the rivers. Most of the sewage are directly dumped into the rivers through the drains without any treatment. So it will causes the water pollution. So the largest sources of the water pollution in rivers of India is untreated sewage. Next, eighth question. Eighth question. Sustainable development goals have specific target to be achieved by in 2022, 2030, 2040, 2050. Sustainable development goals have a specific target achieved in the year of 2030. So the right answer is 2030. Next, ninth question. Indian government target of producing power from biomass by the year. It means Indian government target for producing the biomass. How much amount gigawatt of biomass they have to produce? What is the target? In the renewable energy, they have the target to 175 gigawatt. From 175 gigawatt, they have to produce 60 gigawatt of wind power, 60 watt of wind power and 100 gigawatt of solar power and 10 gigawatt of biomass energy and 5 gigawatt of small hydro power. From this 175, they have to distribute 60 gigawatt for wind power, 100 gigawatt for solar power, 10 gigawatt for biomass and 5 gigawatt for small hydro power. The question is that Indian government target of producing a power from biomass. Here biomass they have to take the target to 10 gigawatt. So the option D is the right answer. Next, come to last question. Among the following fuels of energy, which is the most environmental friendly? Ethanol, biogas, CNG, hydrogen. In the four option, hydrogen is the most environmental friendly fuel energy. So hydrogen is the right answer. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.